In this video, I'll show you how to translate a PDF document for free. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google Drive. Once you're there, click on New, then select File Upload, and choose the PDF you want to translate. After the file uploads, open it and click on Open With, then select Google Docs. Your PDF will now open as an editable document. Next, go to the top menu, click on Tools, and select Translate Document. Choose your desired language, give the file a name, and click Translate. A new translated version of your document will be created. If you want to save it as a PDF again, go to File, click Download, and select PDF Document.pdf. That's it! You've successfully translated your PDF for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.